This is your homework activity 1 after completing Grade 8 History World War I, Lesson 11, which looked at the end of World War I and the treaties. For this activity, you're going to need an A4 white piece of paper. Turn that piece of paper landscape. You are also going to need colored pens or pencil crayons or Kokies. You will then need to divide your A4 page into 3 even columns. Do not write the headings, column 1, column 2, and column 3. That is just to show you what is required. At the top of your page, write the heading, the big 3. You are now going to write your headings for each column, that being Woodrow Wilson in column 1, David Lloyd George in column 2, and George Clemenceau in column 3. It is advisable that you are able to recognize the flags of each country, because often in a cartoon, the flags will be used to represent the different nations. You can either draw the flags, or you may go and print out pictures of the flags and stick them on your page. It is entirely up to you. In column 1, you will write important information about Woodrow Wilson. He was the USA President. He was an idealist. He was against corruption in politics and business. He wrote the 14 points to end the war and prevent future wars. In the middle, we have Britain, who we know was the one who wanted to compromise. So, David Lloyd George was the British Prime Minister, but he was more of a realist. He was an experienced politician and believed in a compromise. He was seen as the halfway guy with regards to the treaties, with America being completely on the one side and France being completely on the other, and Britain in the middle. George Clemenceau was the French Prime Minister. He was known as a hard and tough politician and had a reputation for being uncompromising. He was very against Germany, and he believed that they would never have such power again. He wanted to cripple them. So Woodrow, on the one hand, wanted to build peace, build up economies, and prevent future wars. George Clemenceau wanted revenge, as he had seen the destruction of Germany more than once in his lifetime. And Britain in the middle wanted to compromise. Pause the video, write what you need to write down. You may add any additional information that you think would be important with regards to studying the big 3. And so this would be your final product for the end of your first activity. Remember, you can always add additional pictures and information that you think may help you when studying for your tests or exams.